How to use feng shui colors in Japandi interior design. Welcome to our channel. In Japandi interiors, color is never just decoration. In feng shui, each tone shapes how a room feels and flows. The goal is not more color, but the right color in the right place, creating calm, warmth, balance, and quiet energy that supports everyday life. Japandi style blends Japanese simplicity with Scandinavian comfort, so the palette stays soft, grounded, and intentional. Feng shui works beautifully here because both approaches value harmony, natural materials, and spaces that feel peaceful, uncluttered, and restorative. Start with earth tones such as sand, taupe, clay, and warm beige. In feng shui, earth colors create stability, nourishment, and calm. They make a strong base for Japandi rooms, especially in living spaces where you want people to feel settled, safe, and at ease. Soft whites and gentle creams help light move smoothly through a room. Instead of feeling stark, they should feel warm and natural. In Japandi design, these shades create breathing space, while in feng shui they support clarity, simplicity, and a fresh emotional atmosphere. Greens connect your home to growth, renewal, and well-being. Feel natural rather than loud. Sage, olive, and muted moss work especially well in Japandi interiors because they use them in cushions, ceramics, wall art, or a painted accent area that feels soft and grounded. Blue brings a calm, deeper energy. In feng shui, soft blues support reflection, peace, and gentle flow. In Japandi design, dusty or gray blue works well in bedrooms, reading nooks, or textiles for a cool, still feel. For warmth, add muted terracotta, peach, or soft clay red. These shades add life without breaking the calm. In feng shui, warmer tones gently activate energy, making minimal spaces feel human, inviting, and balanced. Black must be used carefully, but in Japandi it's powerful, symbolizing depth and wisdom when well balanced. Add black through lighting, frames, or furniture lines to create contrast, definition, and quiet sophistication. Natural wood tones act as both color and material. Oak, ash, walnut, and bamboo bring warmth, growth, and organic movement. Japandi uses it to keep minimal spaces from feeling cold. A common mistake is choosing colors just by trends. A shade can feel wrong if it disrupts the room's purpose. Ask how the space should support you. Rest, focus, connection, or energy, and let that guide your palette. If you're enjoying these moments, subscribe and never miss our bloom moments. For the bedroom, choose calming combinations like warm white, sand, taupe, and muted blue or sage. Avoid too many sharp contrasts. Japandi bedrooms work best when colors feel layered and soft. Feng shui supports this because restful rooms need gentleness, not visual tension. For the living room, mix grounding neutrals with 1 or 2 warmer accents. Beige, wood, cream, and olive create a welcoming mood. If the room feels flat, add a small terracotta detail. This keeps the space calm yet alive, which is ideal in both Japandi and feng shui. In a home office, choose colors that support focus without becoming cold. Soft green, warm stone, light wood, and small charcoal accents can work beautifully. Feng shui encourages flow and concentration, while Japandi keeps the setting visually simple and mentally clear. Always test colors in natural light before committing. Morning light, gray skies, and evening shadows can completely change how a color feels, especially in UK homes. A shade that looks peaceful in theory may feel dull, harsh, or heavy once it is actually on your walls. The best Japandi feng shui palette is quiet, layered, and nature-inspired. Focus less on filling a room with color and more on creating emotional balance. Each shade should help the space breathe, support your routine, and feel easy to live in every day. If you want your home to feel calm, warm, and beautifully balanced, start with color. Choose tones that reflect nature, softness, and purpose. In Japandi design, Feng Shui colors can turn a simple room into a space that restores you. Subscribe and share how our videos are transforming your spaces.